things are not gonna hold up.
You coming home, my
I got
chief.
something to tell you. This is designed to show you how powerful you are.
Pushing 3.
This is just another way to show us another obstacle we can get over.
Yep.
That's it. Nothing more, nothing less than that. We're gonna get through this and we're gonna be like, damn, another one. Another obstacle.
Easy.
New love in the
After
game.
3 o'clock.
Look up the irregardless and plan B. Just look up the visiting hours and make sure I'm good on cover.
That's not even the question.
If it come down to that, yeah, we're gonna make sure you all the way straight.
You already know my
We're gonna put something together on you know what I'm saying,
care
on our
package.
behalf.
A care
Nah,
package.
I ain't talking about just that. I'm talking about we're gonna put us some together to show who Natiri really is. You understand what I'm saying? We're gonna pull all them videos and all that stuff. Yeah.
Yeah, we don't have
That's a whole
a
three.
We have video.
because that's no evidence and nothing for those.
And
charges.
we'll testify.
Yeah, we got. Yeah,
They took the camera.
They took pretty much all the electronic equipment.
all the evidence.
They left one laptop and one iPad.
And the laptop got the information on it.
It's your laptop.
Your laptop's the one that got left behind, but they didn't take the hard drive, so we have all the knowledge stored.
Oh, so you got all the knowledge stored.
Yeah. They just took the actual frame. They didn't take the actual information.
So nothing's on the camera.
Yeah.
On the camera?
Was the SD card in the camera?
The SD, we cleared it like yesterday or 2 days. Like, it was only footage from today.
Hard drive?
Yeah, so we got all that. Yeah, we should have all of that.
We got our footage already.
Well,
Not
it
from
was.
today.
You got your hard drive, Musa?
No, they took the laptop and the hard drive.
They took your laptop and hard drive.
But you hear these bogus ass charges?
Yeah.
them charges bogus.
That's sad that she would take it to that degree.
I raped, like they said, I raped Natiri.
Nobody, how you gonna rape a prostitute?
But we don't even.
Don't nobody rape no
We
man.
really
she's
don't even need a lawyer
man,
for this.
We don't need no.
I asked the detective, I said, how do you gonna prove that? He's like, I don't know, but we gotta lock you up for it overnight.
Right. How do they
Not
prove
even
that?
3.
And I'm like, huh?
Do you know that Natiri's sister, her twin sister's child father was there? The one that you checked?
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah, he was there and he was like, can I talk to you real quick, Malia? I was like, I don't know you. I'm not talking to you. The detective was like, yeah, I need somebody, I have somebody you need to talk to. And he was sitting on the corner of the wall as I'm walking out. And I'm looking on my shoulder like, who you talking about? And I look and I see his face. I'm like, man, I don't know you, man. God, he ain't talking to you. And I walked out.
You gotta learn how to calm down, yo, and get
I
information.
do, but
Yeah.
I felt like it was some setup. I felt like it was trying to set
Yeah,
up
but I'm
something.
just saying you could have at least heard what he had to say.
No, they was asking, do you need help? Do you need some
No,
assistance?
they was asking.
Because
They
did
was
the same
trying to
thing to
blame
me.
you.
So
I
I
can't
said
hear
no.
nothing. I can't hear nothing. I can't
One
hear
at a
nothing.
time.
They were asking what?
They was asking if you need assistance, do you need some help? We have an organization we can help you with. I was like, no, I don't know you people. I don't want to talk to you.
They was trying to. It seemed like they was trying to get me to say something.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then it's like they put these charges on me anyway.
That's crazy though. For what though?
Huh?
There's no evidence.
Yeah, they came in with that
No, they
intention.
said that they said I'm not charged with it. I'm not guilty of it. It's just an accusation.
Right.
But bullshit.
But how are you getting charged?
Nah, you ain't. You gotta go to court to get charged. These is just offenses.
These are the offenses.
Yeah, the judge determines whether or not you're gonna get charged. But
Exactly.
She doing all of this.
Yeah, that's basically what's the court.
Accusations. They said that with charges like that, somebody got to get locked up.
yeah, all it takes is a chick to say something. They gonna lock the dude up every time.
Yeah, that's what I used to
That's just how it go. That's just society.
This
What does her brother-in-law got to say to you, Malia?
I don't know, but I know when I was the first person to go outside, and he came right behind me, and he was like, he did it again. He was like, Malia, can I talk to you for a second? I was like, I don't have anything to say to you, because I felt like he was trying to like set me up to say some shit. How he just came out there right behind me, and he was looking around, and then they had this white car that pulled up, that pulled up on the side of the road and sat there for about 15 minutes. And the cop car came right on the side of the car. And then a lady got out the car, went up to the police car, then pulled up to me and Mama Zoka and started talking to us. And I'm like, hold up. I was putting two and two together. I'm like, nah, I'm not fucking with none of y'all. And so that's why I didn't talk. I didn't say anything. I feel like they was trying to pin something against us or trying to make us say something.
Yeah, they was trying to ask
So
for our help and shit. No.
But I'm saying if we ain't doing nothing, I'm not understanding. We didn't do anything. Y'all could have just told them, nah, that shit ain't true.
But we didn't know what
Yeah,
it
we
was
didn't wanna
about.
talk to
I just felt their energy. It was like they was trying to like, I don't know.
Nah, they was like, if you need a place to stay, if you need some help,
No, they
we
was
have
worried about y'all. They
options
was
for
really
you.
thinking that shit was real.
Yeah.
But I didn't.
Jackson,
First of all, I don't trust that
what
man. I don't know
they
who that
say-
man is.
Why y'all keep doing that shit?
What they say to you, Jackson? And I know they took Jackson Tyson.
Yeah, they just had me in a little room, and when they opened the door, they just asked me if I seen an assault between you and Tanisha with Queen Malia, and I just said I don't know nothing about that, and they let me out. They let me out with everybody else.
Yeah, same thing here.
Yep.
They said they was trying to build an assault case for that, and I was like, I don't know nothing about that. And then they told us we're going home.
Right. Yeah, they trying to get information.
Yeah, that's all they was trying
So
to
they
do.
was trying to build an assault case on Malia.
Yeah.
Then they come out of nowhere with the Fury shit.
That
I'm in the
rape
office
shit.
like,
They was
oh,
just trying to
y'all
put-
kidding me? It's like, well, but she has to prove that, though.
Right.
She has to prove that I raped her.
Beyond a reasonable doubt.
You know what I'm saying? Like, there has to be like forced entry. There has to be something that says that I did that.
We got evidence
She's supposed to
against
have a
that.
rape kit
Yeah,
and
rape
all
kit.
that.
Fuck out of here.
They had a rape kit.
No, I'm saying that's what she would have to do in order to justify what she's saying.
Of course, she got to get rape kit, and of course, she can't just say I raped her, bro.
Oh, she's making
That can't be enough.
That shit is wild.
She's on Twitter. Right
It's crazy, bro. You don't even play like that.
Yeah, no,
No,
fuck no.
actually, women do play like
Now
that.
she gonna
They
really get
do.
raped.
It's a regular thing.
This actually happened to my pops.
Shit
Yeah,
not,
this is
that shit
regular.
not right.
Then she said I held her against her will.
Boy.
What?
At any given
That's
moment,
why
you could
No.
leave.
It was called false imprisonment.
Right.
Yeah, I didn't know what that meant at first.
So this is, she said, I raped her, false imprisonment, and I did a porn on her.
Okay.
And I like all three, like, dude, nigga.
This shit not about to stand. This shit not about to go like.
We already know about the porn. That's already understood.
It's not gonna hold up because she doesn't have any evidence to justify the claim she's making.
Right.
Look at her energy in those videos, and you tell me if she was being raped.
That bitch is not getting
She
raped.
was live and not
Bro,
real.
how do you just say that and then not end up in the jail?
Yeah, how did they do that? How did they just move off that?
Because they can do what they want to do in their world.
It's because the people that hate me
Yeah.
are united.
Yeah.
So you have to get people that love me together.
Yeah.
Because the people that hate me are united and are trying very hard to take me down.
No weapon
They
formed.
won't. No weapon form. They're gonna try to form.
No weapon.
Any notification will turn off the sound.
Mission.
We'll see you soon. You ain't
You
gonna be
coming home. You about to pop right out. You about to come right back.
You coming right? We know you coming
tomorrow.
out. So it is.
I'm gonna come out there with no water.
You said with what?
No wallet.
No water.
No, we get you. We replace everything in that
We'll
wallet.
get everything back.
A wallet is not gonna stop.
A wallet is nothing.
We don't even.
My ID, though, they got my passport and everything.
Chief, we
Yeah,
gonna
they gonna
get
have to-
everything back.
Yeah,
They're
we'll
Times
get that
10.
back.
They're just holding it for the time being. They gotta give it back to us.
No, we get all that back.
Yeah, I don't think they're gonna do it.
Even if it don't come back in that form, we gonna get everything back.
We low key traumatized by the experiences
I don't
we
think
got.
give me bail, bro. 'Cause
Say what now?
I don't think give me bail.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't even.
We gonna be on top of that.
I don't even think you're gonna need bail because of what.
It's not gonna.
I got 1 minute left. I'm gonna call you up that card.
All right.
Question 3.
I bet.
Yep.
I'm gonna wait till 1 minute left.
Yeah, we here. We here. We spent all of that.
everybody. So you got your phone?
Got my phone right here.
Okay. How about Lloyd?
Yep, that's a fact, my chief.
Ace?
I got mine.
Jax?
I got mine, my chief.
Price?
Got mine.
You-
Price?
I got mine.
You got yours?
Yeah, I got mine.
Okay, yeah, I got Malcolm's number.
Mm-hmm.
But I'll just be calling Lloyd's number. And Malia, you don't got your phone?
No.
Keep on that.
Y'all sleeping upstairs?
Yeah.
Okay. Y'all hold me down, man. It's just the test.
That's
I
a
already
three.
know, my chief.
That's a
We've
three.
been here before.
Worse.
We been here before. We gonna work it out.
Yeah,
Pushing
we know,
three.
We know how to get. We know what to do.
We know how to maneuver this one.
using Securus. Goodbye.
We
Zay
good.
about to call back.
What's
Yeah.
where's that money coming from? Your cat, and we good. Yeah, we good. Yep.
Yeah, we can do this all day. I literally.
I'll hold that. Like,
Yeah, y'all know that's some bullshit.
that shit not gonna stick.
But don't let it don't let like your anger for what she's doing consume you.
She don't get what she deserves.
Yeah, don't let it consume you because the part, you know what I'm saying, let her punish her own self. What she's doing has to come back to her. Let that be her punishment.
We is still on live. We is on live, so y'all know. Yeah.
This is just mojo for us moving on. She done.
And we have that card on standby in case that's anything.
Yeah, she bugging.
I got my wallet.
Yeah.
You say you about to call back, so we gonna stand by.
I mean,
Phone with three. He's talking. Please don't talk.
Here we go. Here we go.
Yeah,
Right here.
y'all know she lying. Everybody knows she lying.
Yeah.
An incarcerated individual at the Cobb County Jail. Our records show you do not have an account or enough funds to complete this call. To pay for just this call,
Hey, can y'all hear?
with a one-time transaction fee of $3, plus third-party pass-through fees of 40 cents. You will only be charged the per-minute rate for the amount of time you were on the phone. If you do not want to connect this call, but would like to fund an account to pay for future calls, please hang up and dial 800-844-6591. Or for faster service, you can set up an account at securistech.net or by downloading the Securus mobile app on your smartphone.
So
Our
hold on.
records show you have
So
a
that
card
is-
on file ending in 2852. If you would like to reuse the card on file to pay for this call, please press 1. To use a new, please enter your card expiration date by entering the 2-digit month followed by the 2-digit year.
0725.
You entered 0725.
And the zip code is
If this is correct, please press 1. If this is not correct, please enter the 5-digit billing zip code, the credit or debit card. You entered 3.
I ain't even worried about that.
06. If this is correct, please press 1. If this is... Your payment has been approved. Payment has been approved. This call is not private. It will be recorded and may be monitored. If you believe this should
All
be a
right,
private
keys.
call,
See,
thank you
you
for
hold
using
tight. I'm gonna hit you
Securus.
next.
You may start the conversation now.
So these bitches trying to take me out.
Yeah, we still on live, my chief.
only to realize that that's not
You know what I'm
possible.
saying?
What was
They
that?
gonna all lie on me like that. They gonna all lie on me and they think that that's not gonna like come back on them.
We just got through talking about that.
That's crazy.
She can't take out God, my chief.
You think you could talk to her somewhere?
I mean, I could, but for what? Is she? I really think it's not just her. I think it's her. People putting a battery in her back. A couple of influence. I think it's a combination.
Couple people, son.
Yeah, and she's a scapegoat to do it through.
Right.
How do you live with yourself after that?
Can't.
Can't.
It's gonna haunt her like Freddy Krueger.
We know that's about to be our footstool. Right. And they about to be looking crazy holding that weapon that couldn't do nothing.
Gotta get worse before it get better.
And it brought mad attention.
Definitely.
Crazy attention.
What's going on the press?
everybody talking about.
Okay.
Every page.
So
We got 600 viewers
It's
in the room
600
right
in the
now.
room now on IG, and then before we even left with the police, there's people pulling. Before everybody left, they had apparently it's like news people pulling up, and then they're talking about you on all over Bigo,
YouTube.
Miko, YouTube, Sonetta, World News. You know,
Y'all need to get on there and talk for me, man.
Pushing
pushing
three.
three. Yeah.
Y'all need to get on there immediately
Already.
and start getting help. Like, yo, like, Amir was waiting for.
Let's get it. You waiting on the word? Every
Whole time, like,
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
Like, what are you talking?
No, we with it.
yeah. Say less on that. We about to
Yo, you see how I felt that
Turn it
shit
up.
when I jumped up and looked at the window?
Yeah.
We put it together. He was like, oh, that's what he was feeling.
Yeah, Keys. He's saying he's here. You already know. He here for you.
To do what? He gotta help me get out of here, man.
Exactly.
I need a lawyer. Is anybody talking lawyer talk?
Yep, we talked to a bunch of
Yeah,
lawyers
we got
already.
lawyers on standby. We was just waiting on a confirmed charge before they could move forward.
Now we know which lawyer to move forward with and what to do.
Did y'all write the charges down?
We got a whole paper.
Did this said I raped her, bro?
That's nuts. That's nutty.
You don't even play like that.
No, you don't play like that. Oh.
They do. They do.
Yeah, they definitely do, bro.
They definitely play like that.
Told you.
Shit just fly.
Revenge porn? Come on, dude.
Yeah.
Doing the most.
Revenge.
Revenge for what?
Does the public know about this? Does the public know that of the charges?
We can
They
pull up
hearing
the
it now.
paperwork. We got the paperwork right here.
And he had that.
And then we got
that
screenshots.
screenshot right there. That's
So y'all need to get on Bigo. Y'all need to get on all platforms and start letting people know.
That's a 3.
So they hitting y'all phones or what?
Yeah,
Yeah,
a
they
couple
hit
of
me
people
up.
hit me directly
Same here.
on Instagram and also straight to my phone.
And the Google Voice is blowing up right now too.
so we're hitting certain main areas, and we can make it go digital.
Man,
Like, let them know I'm locked up.
now we turned it up.
Let everybody know I'm falsely accused.
Yep.
You know what I mean? Like,
Yo,
shit crazy. I can't. This is so surreal. So surreal.
this is
But
crazy.
it's all good, man. It's an accusation. Get a lawyer. We good. I just need to get the bill. Because they might try to hit me with he's a flight risk.
No, we got
All
you.
this shit.
We got you.
No, yeah, we gonna take care of that.
Already.
We about to get a lawyer in line. We got people who are trying to support. We're going to utilize all that. And then we got the media and all these platforms. You know they want to talk. So we're going to make sure the proper narrative is going out, the truth.
Put me on Bigo real quick, man, so I can talk to people.
Push
Yeah,
it
do
3.
Bigo
Push
too.
3.
I don't got it on my phone. Who got it?
Put me on Bigo.
It's the login is through Chief's phone number.
It is.
He said Malia.
Yes, Poppy?
Yeah, come closer.
He said I love you.
I love you, Poppy.
I miss all of y'all. I miss you.
You couldn't. It's hard to even leave.
Scales and Elway said they miss you too. They love you.
Man, they better help me.
Right.
They is. I already know they are.
Yeah.
You're gonna be good, 3. You about to be out of there real soon.
No,
You
we
ain't
got
about
you.
to.
We gonna
It's
do
about to be
everything.
like a flash.
We got it.
Mm-hmm.
But expect the worst.
We can't do
playing,
that.
you know what I'm saying?
No.
Tell me this.
Nah.
You
getting
good.
out.
You good.
Nah.
You good. I ain't even about to.
That shit not about to stick.
Cause we can expect it.
What she doing is some conniving shit.
Yeah.
It's gotta
Wow.
come. It's gonna come back on her. It ain't gonna fall down on us.
Right.
No, it doesn't even. It's not even mathematically aligned for anything bad to happen to us.
Cause you didn't do anything.
Bro, no weapon form, never.
This is
never.
just another way to show us how powerful we are and how we can continue to get over obstacles.
The thing is like, this shit, she fell. The system gotta lock me up. They gotta investigate. But will it be foul play in the investigation? How than the fact. You know what they were saying to me in the office? They was like, well, you're this mean, aggressive guy. I was like, there's probable cause, so we have to
You got Nature Boy's
I'm
teeth,
like, okay.
because the Bigo is linked to his phone number, and we don't have either one of his
I was
phones.
like, look, bro, I'm a man. You know what I'm saying? I was like, he was like, when did she leave? I said, I woke up and she was gone.
Right.
I said, listen, my life is a public life. Anybody can come into my life, and I love them. People are in and out. I got revolving doors. People are in and out of my life. So, at the end of the day, it is what it is. But guess what?
What?
Look how they do God.
Crazy.
Look how they do God.
Mm.
That's crazy.
The force behind you
He's
is
gonna
very
join the
strong.
Let's go to Bigo.
Here.
Pass me the phone.
Make sure y'all get on Bigo, so I can talk to you.
Yep. He sent me the room invite now. Everybody in there.
Yeah, we about to join up right now, my chief.
Oh, okay, we're gonna just okay, I get what you're saying.
Yeah. Give us about 30 seconds. We about to be up in here.
Oh, I got about 2,000 here already.
Click join.
You ain't gonna be
You
in
ain't
there
gonna be there that
long,
long,
yeah.
yeah. Nah, you good. You coming?
We gotta keep that mentality up. You it sound like you sound like you think you gonna be in there for a while. We ain't on that type of time.
We getting bail money tomorrow.
You ain't gonna be in there long enough.
Nah,
to
we
make
got
it
the
right.
bail money. We
Yeah,
posted tomorrow.
Bond getting posted tomorrow.
Come on.
And that shit today is. Yeah. Turn it down. We up in Bigo
We
too
on
now.
Bigo now.
We on Bigo and Instagram.
Yo, Keith.
Hey, what?
What's up, Nature Boy?
Keys in here?
Yo. Hey, yo, listen. I'm calling y'all from jail. I'm
Flip
in
the camera.
DeKalb County. I've been accused of rape. I've been
I saw there's 5 of them. I saw them, and they telling me that it's from one girl, Nateria or something like that.
5 charges. I only got 3.
No, it's actually
It's
5.
online.
Okay, so look. Okay, so with the charges, it's like 3 of the same ones.
They're stacked.
Yeah, like it's 3 of the same ones. I don't know if she's saying that it was 3 incidents or whatever, and you being charged with the R word, okay, and false imprisonment. But it is 3 of them that's like the same 3 counts.
She didn't want to say rape.
It's for Bigo.
Yeah, I don't want to say the R. You know we on Bigo.
Oh, yeah. So, what they told me is 3 things that I know for sure. I got my 3 charges. I got the R, right? And then I got the false imprisonment, and then the revenge porn. I have some bad times.
The reason
Okay,
she said
so I'm gonna
5
tell
is
you.
because the reason she said 5 is because it's supposed to be 3 counts of the same charge.
Mhm.
And 2 other ones. That's
Okay, so I'm finna tell
the revenge porn thing.
I'm finna tell you how they got it wrote up as the revenge porn. They have a prohibition on nude or sexually explicit electronic transmissions. They have 3 of those. Okay,
Okay, yeah.
and
Okay.
and it's three different warrant numbers. 3 different warrant numbers, and the offense date was March the 26th, 2022.
A 5 then.
Huh?
Well, I go for bond hearing tomorrow at 1.
Okay.
Okay, and they keep saying that this is a federal charge, which this is not. This is DeKalb County. This is a county charge.
DeKalb County. I'm in DeKalb County. I don't have any charges. These are accusations.
Mm-hmm.
I'm about to bail out. Right. We're going to go to court. She has to prove that I raped her. She has to prove that all of the stuff she's saying, she has to prove it.
Question 3.
can't just put me behind bars for that. I didn't do that. I didn't do
Ask
that.
him,
Man,
does he live in Gwinnett County, and why he think they took him all the way to DeKalb? He live in Gwinnett.
Yeah,
If he
did we
live in,
saying Decatur's DeKalb County?
Ask him, Imp. You can ask him.
oh, because so he in DeKalb.
yeah,
Okay.
but why would I?
She
Yeah,
think
he in
that
DeKalb.
Decatur is in Gwinnett County, but it's not.
No. The Gwinnett,
Okay.
I don't know what Gwinnett County got to do with anything.
Me
Yeah,
either.
'cause this is why
No,
I
it's
asked
in DeKalb.
geographical
It's in DeKalb
questions.
County. That's where it is. Nature Boy, when they came, okay, so did everybody get arrested and then they let y'all go?
Yeah.
Or what?
We got detained.
They detained everybody.
They
Nobody
got
got arrested.
detained, and then like, I'm locked up right now. I'm on a payphone.
Right. Do you have a bond yet? No bond?
Well,
I ain't got a bond until tomorrow. I'm going to the hearing to see if I can get a bond. But they said I'm a bond at tomorrow. That's what the detectives tell me. Like, you get a bond tomorrow.
that's what it's gonna be.
Yeah, you're gonna be getting out ASAP.
Said I get a bond tomorrow, so I don't
Yeah,
know.
we got you
But
from there.
let me ask you something. Yo, Ed,
Huh? I can
you know
hear
this
him.
shit is bogus, right?
You said what?
You know this shit is bogus, right?
Listen, I'm gonna tell you something, Nature Boy. I never saw so many people excited about somebody going to jail about something if they don't know whether this shit is true or not. Okay? Like we can't say whether this shit is true or not. We wasn't there. We don't know. But I feel like this. If it was that
Hold
bad,
on, what you mean you don't know?
What?
what I'm saying
What
is
you
I
mean you
cannot
don't
pass.
know?
Ed don't be
Can
getting no
hold on, let me
shit.
talk.
But
Hold
still,
on, hold on. Let me talk. What I'm saying is I cannot pass judgment on Nature Boy. I cannot pass judgment. I cannot say that this shit is real.
But Ed don't follow our life. Ed
Like
don't follow our life, so he wouldn't know.
I can't say
Cherry,
that
the
this
Cherry been back in, the Cherry been in and out my life for a minute.
for years.
Wow.
Let me ask you a question though, Ed. Let me ask you a question though. So I'm
uh-huh.
supposed to have raped her. I'm supposed to have raped her. I'm supposed to have
Imprisoned her.
imprisoned her. You know what I'm saying?
And
Like
Right. I'm
false
listening.
imprisonment, my nigga. I
Right.
wouldn't let her leave. What?
Right. And that's what I'm
That is the
that's what I'm
opposite.
saying though.
Where
Nature Boy, that's what I'm saying. Like I understand all of that. I understand. And like I said,
And
I
held
I
her.
only know you from I
Yeah,
only
I
know
held
you
her
from
in the house against her will.
how many times we asked her to leave?
Right.
bruh,
Literally every day.
if how
There's
bruh,
I held her
how
and
you
put her in
leave,
prison.
bruh, how you leave 5 times, but all of a sudden you can't leave now? You she leave anytime she get ready.
False
She been doing it.
How
imprisonment, my
you
nigga.
come asking for
False
babies?
imprisonment and rape.
You come here asking for babies and claim rape.
She gave her booty up to like 80 dudes as a prostitute. Ain't nobody raping you, bruh.
damn. Where you
This
at,
is like a
Video
Brandon?
and shit.
horrible. This
Hold
a
on, I'm about
horrible
to add
accusation.
Brandon.
Y'all don't think
Okay,
this shit
Brandon.
fucked up?
This shit
That
for
shit
real,
fucked
bro.
up. That's on twisted.
Everybody in the
Man, like
chat.
I'm asking Ed and Keys, like y'all don't think this fucked up?
What up, homie? Yeah, this
Okay,
shit all
Nature Boy
fucked up,
Brandon
fam.
now. Can he hear
What's happening?
him?
Hey, make sure you say my number on me.
Can he hear you?
Yeah,
Hey, Solar,
I can hear him.
Yeah, I'm here.
make sure you make sure you shoot him my number on me.
Yeah, we got your number. We got you.
A whole lot of haters in this motherfucker, boy. These motherfuckers,
I
they
ain't
hate
gonna
so
lie.
much.
Ooh,
That's for real. They
they
tripping.
reported them.
Hating asses.
Oh, they reporting.
oh wow.
What the fuck y'all
Probably,
mad about?
probably about them dumbass people from YouTube.
Yeah, but I'm just saying though, what y'all mad about? Yeah, they reporting. What y'all reporting for?
Weird as fuck.
It's
One of
done.
y'all
Shit,
got another page. Is that Solar